What's up, tartelettes? It's Deanna. Welcome back to our channel. Everyone is getting ready to go back to school, or some of you may already be back in school. And I wanted to give you guys a quick video of some back to school lunches that I think are so delicious. And they're also a healthy alternative to some things that are on the market that are not so healthy. So I'm gonna show you guys what I am making for the back to school lunches. And then let me know in the comments below if you guys are starting school this week or if you're already back in school. And let me know what your favorite thing about back to school is. These recipes are great for moms if you guys are sending your kids back to school. They're great if you're in high school and you're making your own lunches. I didn't make my own lunches ever. My mom was a saint. She made my lunches until I was like off to college. But anyway, I digress. If you guys are in college and you guys want healthy lunches, or if you're just on the go going to work, these are all great choices. First up, I'm gonna show you a vegan alternative to Lunchables, and it's a little bit healthier than your typical Lunchable. So I'm gonna show you guys the pizza one, because that one was my favorite. So for lunches, I just have these cute little Tupperwares, and then these little ones are great for dressings or for toppings that you don't want to sit in the same Tupperware all day. Those are great. So first, for the pizza Lunchable, I'm taking one of these sandwich thins. These are from the brand Arnold. That is the bag right there. And these are vegan. So I'm just going to have you just split them up. There's two. So I'm gonna only bring two. I don't think you need more than that unless you're really super hungry for lunch, which sometimes I can be. But I'm gonna put them in this container, and then in here I'm gonna put the toppings, and I'm gonna put the toppings inside of this. So it's really, really simple. So in the one container, I'm putting some pizza sauce in there. And then in the other container, I'm putting this vegan mozzarella cheese. This is the brand Daya, and if you guys have any questions, I'll leave that down below. So now we have everything in this one container. Close it up, and you are good to go with one easy school lunch. Lunch. Tastes just like a Lunchable. Also, if you are able to, it would be delicious also to toast the pita bread before you put everything on. This next one is also easy, but takes a little bit more prep time because you actually have to chop up some vegetables. This is a veggie roll up, so I'll show you guys how to do that, and then I'll show you guys some things I like to add on the side as little snacks. So for my snacks on the side, I'm gonna be using whatever peppers I didn't chop up for the roll-ups. I used as a snack on the side with some celery. Then I also have some apples, and I'm going to add some blueberries to that as well. And this is a really healthy lunch. I also sometimes have one of these cups on the side with some ranch for my vegetables, because I think that just makes everything better. For the roll-ups, I'm using a spinach wrap, and I'm gonna just put some vegan mayonnaise, lay it down as my base. You can also add like spicy hummus, avocado spread, anything you want. This is a vegan mayonnaise. It's actually from Hellmann's. Then I'm just taking some of these peppers that I already chopped up, putting them in the wrap, adding some diced tomatoes into this wrap as well. And then I'm just taking some lettuce, and I'm gonna roll this all up and chop it up. There you have a very healthy lunch. Took a little bit of prep time, but really not that much. So this is another one that you can pack for your kids or bring for yourself to work. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, let me know in the comments down below what your favorite thing about going back to school is. And I will see you guys next time. Have a great school year. Bye, tartelettes.